guys, it's Linda. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you're new here. I'm not alone today either. I brought another guest, my mom. Hi Mom.
Hello.
Today I'm gonna do a makeup on her that is suitable for glasses, and I'm gonna use the new Infinity filter and Infinity glass for a really nice but natural, still glowy base. We should start the tutorial, right?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, let's go. First thing I'm gonna start with is eyebrows. And I know that you have been struggling with your eyebrows because they're curly. I'm gonna try soap brows. It kind of tames all kinds of eyebrows. I've never tried them on curly eyebrows, but let's do that today.
Smells good.
The soap?
Yeah.
Okay, so I've actually prepared my mom for some questions, and one of them I asked was, can you tell my followers something about me that nobody knows, like something weird I did as a kid, or something I did as a teenager, or whatever.
Oh, this is going to be hard. You were a very nice and kind of
Boring kid?
no, not boring, because we allowed you to do a lot of things you wanted to try when you were a kid.
But so, did I do anything weird? I mean,
weird.
parents usually have weird stories about their kids.
Yeah.
And
But you never did anything weird.
No, but where I did like something, I don't know. I just had, it felt like it could be, you could have a funny answer, but no.
Funny answer. You have lingonberries on everything you eat.
I even have it on curry.
Yeah.
I love lingonberry jam.
But probably they know that already.
When did I talk about lingonberry
I don't know.
jam?
But
No, it's a thing. I think it's a Swedish thing to eat lingonberry.
I think I kind of like that too.
Yeah.
Even on curry, actually.
It's nice. Every person that I ask to try, they love it.
They love it, yeah.
So now you guys have to try lingonberry jam on curry. Because it's really, really nice.
That's good.
I soaked the brows a little bit, and now I'm gonna fill them in. And I'm using a mix of cigar and Fornax to just fill them in a little bit. And also, you have glasses.
Yes.
So we're gonna do a makeup that is like really good and looks really good if you have glasses and you are, what's the word in English? Närsynt?
Yeah.
I don't know.
For foresight.
Is it?
No, I don't know.
But the eyes are getting smaller when you have glasses on. So that's why I need to put some more makeup on to make the eyes look bigger. And you're gonna see Roger Waters tonight.
Yeah,
So this is a perfect time to get a little makeup done.
it is. And have it done by you.
'Cause we don't live in the same city.
No, we don't meet that often.
No.
And I think you have done makeup on me once.
Is it only once?
Only once.
Really?
Yeah. And it's a couple of years ago now. So I'm enjoying this.
Oh, you have to follow my mom on Instagram, by the way. She does nails. Nails by Hallberg. Or Hallberg. I hate to say my name in English because it's so Swedish.
Hallberg.
So what I'm gonna do now is to apply some Infinity glass on her face as a primer. I know now you're not really dry because it's summer and it's been a very humid summer, so nobody's dry anymore. Everybody's super moisturized and everything feels really, really well. But with Infinity glass, you will love it in winter time. And you are a little bit sensitive.
Yeah, I am. On the winters, I'm a bit dry also.
This will be a really nice primer for you. It looks oily, but it's not oily, so it is suitable for sensitive skin.
Yeah, it feels soft, not oily.
And if you want it as a primer, and if you want to blend it out evenly on your skin, you can use the sponge to just blend it out evenly, because we don't want a shiny face here. We want it to just leave the skin prepped and nice for the powder that I'm gonna use on top of it. Because we are going to use Infinity Filter as a base. Infinity Filter is a setting powder, but you also have a little bit of pigments inside. So if you use a little bit more, you can actually build up slightly, like just a little bit of coverage. And you used it yesterday, right?
Yes, I did.
And because the medium shade that I'm going to use on my mom is a little bit yellow tinted, it reduces redness, which is really nice, and that most people actually want. You want to cover that up. So did I just...
The brush went down.
No! I always drop things.
Oh, okay.
And I'm so clumsy now. Okay, that you can tell. I'm really clumsy person.
Yeah.
I'm very small, but I'm really clumsy.
Yeah, you can always hear when you're entering the room, maybe.
I'm kind of not loud, verbally loud. Or am I?
No. You're not. But you always run into things. That you didn't know. That you didn't know about.
I am like the most clumsy person you will ever know about.
Yeah, but in a very nice way. Nice way.
Okay, so I'm gonna use the puff and I am just gonna dab it on. And as you can see,
Dabba-doo, dabba-da.
you get a very nice matte feeling, and it also reduces fine lines and pores. It's like a filter. That's why it's called Infinity Filter, obviously. When did I become interested in makeup in the first place? That, like, I know from my perspective how it happened and what kind of products that I kind of borrowed from you.
Yeah.
But what's your story?
You weren't that kind of girly when you were smaller. You were more into, football and gymnastics and
Lego.
I think no, you were not interested in makeup. You hang out with your friends, in the woods, have barbecues and everything. But I think when you went 15, 16 or something like that, you started to have some, because I had blue. Kind of. I didn't use a lot.
No, mostly you had it in your cabinet, but you didn't use it.
No.
And you had this foundation from Oriflame.
Yeah.
That I know that I took from you sometimes.
Yeah.
But it was too dark for me.
Yeah, and I think it was too dark for me also.
Because everybody wanted to have darker
and
foundation.
You had a sharp,
very sharp line
around the neck.
Makeup game has changed.
Yeah, it does.
How do you see, if you look at the makeup now on Instagram and everything, how do you feel when you look?
I think it's more fun. I'm very interested in shapes and colors also.
She's a really, really good painter. Like a really good painter.
No.
You are!
No.
So right now I'm just covering up some dark circles underneath the eyes. But you're a little bit red. So I'm just gonna cover that up a little bit. Here we have a perfectly nice and matte base. Look at this, but still it's not flat, and that's what I like about this powder, because you get a nice matte feeling, but still your skin looks alive. It's not just flat. That's what I like about it. Okay, so I'm thinking some kind of smoky. I want to work with black. What I am gonna do first, I'm gonna prep the eyes with some Infinity Filter. I'm gonna prep your eyelids with some primer as well, because I know that you have slightly oily eyelids.
Yes, I have.
And the crayons are waterproof, but they are not oil proof. So you have to work with a primer underneath, or you have to work with a setting eyeshadow on top to make them stick and to make them last the whole night.
You think I'm going to be up all night?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm planning for that.
You're planning?
I'm planning for that. Yeah.
Yeah, you sure?
Because they're living here, so I'm planning when it's Saturday, so when they come back home, we're gonna party.
Karaoke!
Okay.
I'm on.
So
I'm on.
you can just close your eyes. So I'm gonna start off with the outer corners
And I can tell you one thing also,
Yeah.
guys out there, we love to sing.
Mm-hmm.
I think the whole family does that.
Yes.
Even your father.
He does sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes.
He sings. Open your eyes and close your eyes again. And so you guys also, you kind of always ask about makeup for hooded eyes. Here we got hooded eyes. And the thing with hooded eyes, you still see the makeup when you are looking down, when you are blinking. So it's not a waste of makeup and waste of time if you don't see the makeup when you look straight ahead. And if you want it to look more visible when you look straight ahead, you can go up a little bit more over the crease. Now I'm gonna use Levy. That is a glittery golden crayon. I love that you don't care about what people say, because I know I've heard so many times that if you have, like, if you're over 40, you cannot use glitter or shimmer or blah blah blah. Of course you can. I mean, why couldn't you? And why shouldn't you? If you like it, you should never ever discriminate yourself from something you like because of age.
No, you shouldn't.
That's really stupid.
Yeah, I think that also. But if you live in a small town,
I know how it is.
like I do, people are more, what can I say, judging.
Yes.
If you are that, so people are looking at you in another way.
Yeah.
If you're different, and that people think that, oh, you should not think that you are something. I think do what you want to, as long as you're feeling well.
Yeah. And you don't harm others, because that's
an important thing.
because you cannot do what you want, because you may harm people. But if you don't harm people, and if you're feeling good about things, then go for it. It doesn't really matter if the base is kind of uneven, because when you apply the eyeshadow on top, it will even out. People often give up on a smoky eye just because it looks weird in the beginning. Look up. But just work with it and try not to give up. So if you look straight ahead, so I want to lift the eye a little bit now. So I'm working my way up and out here. And that is what you can do if you have a hooded eyelid in front of you, or if you have hooded eyes yourself. You can work your way out from the crease and up a little bit. Then you get this nice shape of the eye. That also lifts it a little bit. You can look straight to me and I will make funny faces to make you laugh.
Do that.
Now you can't laugh. You have to close your eyes.
Sorry.
So I added some collision from the Metallic Mysteries palette on top of the Levi eye pencil, and I also added a little bit of Zao on the inner corners just to make the inner corners pop a little bit more because of the glasses. Water Infinity palette liner brush to make a nice eyeliner. It's almost like a cake eyeliner. And it looks...
Oh, this looks nice. Okay.
But lower lashes, I'm gonna use the angled brush because it's easier to get all the small hairs with...
I don't have money though. 3 or 4.
I can count at least 30 here.
Whoa.
Okay, so I'm using Infinity Filter in Deep to just warm up the face a little bit. So this will also help to keep the filtered feeling of the face. And you have some freckles. Why didn't I get the freckles? Okay, so we can just look. And we're gonna put on some highlight. Do you use that?
Yeah, sometimes.
Okay, did you ever try the Fantastics as a blush?
No, I didn't.
I'm actually gonna do that because I think it will look really nice. We're using Goldstone.
Was that the lightest?
No.
No?
This is the second lightest one.
Second lightest, yeah.
What do we want for lips? Do we want the same?
Maybe.
Yeah. We're gonna go for Goldstone on lips. So maybe just because we want a little bit more shine, we're gonna add Infinity Glass on top of the blush as a highlighter. We can turn and I'm just gonna do it a little bit here, and it's gonna feel really nice because it will feel a bit more moisturized. I think we're pretty much done with the makeup. Can I get a whoop whoop? Whoop whoop whoop. And as you can see here now, when she put on the glasses, the makeup kind of disappeared pretty much. So if you have glasses, you can do 50% more than a person that doesn't have glasses. I guess this is it. How do you feel?
Very good.
Are you ready for the concert tonight?
Yes, I am.
Good.
Very much.
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess this is it for today, guys. And I hope you like this video. Maybe you want my mom to come back sometime. Then just comment down below. Maybe we'll see her more times in this channel. Maybe you can be the new YouTube star, right?
Oh no, no.
Why not? I think that would be fun. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to thumbs up the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again next time. Bye guys!
Well, I am made to be free. That's my choice. What I need.